Yeah, here we have a Jet 7" by 12" horizontal bandsaw. This is 115 volt, 3/4 horsepower. It appears to be unused. Just has a little bit of shipping distress. We'll show you that in a little bit, but most importantly, we checked all the functions on here. Everything works very nicely. So what we're going to do is we're going to power this up. That's the coolant. Here's the on button. You can see everything operates very nicely on here. You might need to adjust the belt tension on there. It has a hydraulic down feed, adjustable speed. And as the head goes down, this red tab right here hits the switch, turns the machine off. Okay, it includes instruction manual and parts manual. There's your test cut. It comes with 4 wheels, 2 axles, and it comes with a material stop. Also, there is a plate for the vertical cutting. You can actually do vertical cuts with this. It has a coolant pump system. Right down there, we tested that. That operates very nicely. It also comes with the belt guard, but we're not going to install that at this time. But that will be included also. It's very clean. It's in really good shape. There's one little paint scuff down here on the lower back corner. And also, there's a little dent right here in where the coolant pan is. A couple little scuffs along the tray here. Other than that, it's in really good shape.